basically the same idea. Here. And let him walk into it. So good Tenkan. See, I don't have to do Tenkan, but it's a little abrupt. Tenkan takes the abruptness out of it. But if you want, you can experiment a little bit with just a lead. Right?
You like that better?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to do 4 corners, and we're just going to do a little Tenkan